the Microsoft shareholders have voted to give you more time to stack sats and get into Bitcoin. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pod 5x5 here in Dubai. Remember, if you come and meet me, it's DaVinci is my first name, Jeremy is my last name. All right, so say hi, DaVinci, not Jeremy, please. I appreciate that. All right, with that said, we're going to be giving a short show today, right? Because I blather on too much. And let me just jump to the chase, right? Because we're going to be doing some TA at the end of the show. And if you want to also watch the show live, you can do so, right? Where I can blather on after the show, right? With you. You just have to head over here to levex.davincij15.com. levex.davincij15.com. And then you actually sign up and then you can follow me and watch this thing live because I pin it there as well. So there you go. And then you can actually chat with me over here, which see the chat box, and I'll be answering your questions at the end of the show. Also, you can go to bybit.davincij15.com, right, to also do some trading and make sure you get some ID at rns.davincij15.com. The news we're going to go over is here, and also in the links in the description. As I said, Microsoft shareholders have rejected Treasury proposal. Rejected. All right. That's all good. Hey, what you going to do? Some people just don't get Bitcoin, and the Microsoft shareholders don't get it. They don't see that infinite money glitch, right? And so, or they do, and a few people, the people who are the majority of stakeholders, right, who do hold it, got a call from the Federal Reserve say, you're voting against this. And here's why. You don't want your stock to go down, do you? Yeah, because then your loans are going to be called in. So don't do that. Damn. Don't be surprised if that actually went down. All right. Bitcoin finds willing dip buyers after BTC price wicks to key 94K low. Yes, we buy the dips from the dips who sell on the dips. That's just how we do. Goldman Sachs open to Bitcoin and Ethereum market. Yeah. Goldman Sachs CEO David Simon stated that the legacy financial institution would consider a broader presence in Bitcoin or Ethereum markets if authorized by U.S. regulators, according to an interview at Reuters event. The bank, along with several other traditional financial giants, has historically avoided cryptocurrencies and blockchain assets, citing concerns over volatility and rampant scams in the industry. Okay, it just means, hey, we don't want the other people to scam you. We want to scam you. And we want the government to make sure that we can continue to scam you properly, right? So we need some special regulations to allow us to properly scam you and not let, those other people scam you. That's what that says. Just so you know. That's what regulation is all about. There is no necessary need for regulations for Bitcoin. I think it's best if the government does absolutely nothing, and Bitcoin will be fine. These guys will not be fine because they won't be able to scam you. That's the whole point. All right, moving on. Altcoin market cap has rejected from its historical point of rejection. Ooh, man. Oh, man. There's a lot of rejections happening here today. But hey, take a look at this. Damn. This is the market cap of all the different altcoins. It came out on the gate here in the last 3 months, just pumping. This looks like weekly chart or something like that. I don't know. But man, we're closer to the end of 2025 and boom. Oh, look at that. Kaboom. But that's okay. It's a retest. And so once it breaks this, a 425 billion market cap, boom, oh my God. And I think it will with the meme coins. It's going to be scary. Hopefully you've got a hold of some meme coins. I don't know, the ones in the next gen, like Waffles, Wama, PayPay, and Medieval Empires. Okay? Not a meme coin, but whatever. Okay. With that said, let's go on to some TA and see what happens with our charts here. Shorts. Ooh, we already cleared that one, right? Didn't we? Yeah, we did. And then we're looking for an entry, looking for a new trade here with Bitcoin dumping all the way to 94. I think it sliced past that. Yeah, it did already. And oof, now we're Wing here, and it looks like we could go a lot higher from here on the charts here, the lower time frame. So yeah, unfortunately, the lower time frames are very highly manipulated, but here, well, let's go for it. We can actually take this 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let's go from here first, and then it's actually a 1-to-1 here. There's a target. A little scary on the lower time frames, but yeah, that would be the target you want to take, and I would accept that. And yeah, boom, there it is. That would be your trade for Bitcoin. And looking at Solana, we looked at this trade, and this did not, short-term trade did not pan out, which this is a risk, right? When you do short-term trades, right? Boom, it actually went the other way and took us out before it started to come back up. So yeah, high risk when the shorter time frame, because it could be managed very easily. So that's why you want to wait for the longer time frames to give us a better entry. And so looking at that, we have to wait for this price action to really come back down, retest the lows before we actually decide, hey, you know what, we're going to do any kind of long on Solana. And I guess the same would apply for Ethereum, right? There's no, we have to really just, if we're trying to force a trade, we're only going to end up losing. So let's just walk away. And if you want, you don't have to take this trade. I think because of the low time frames, it is not worth taking this short-term trade. Can it work out? Yes, it can. There is a possibility that it does work out because we have a clear W, and then it could pump all the way up here, and that's a likely target. But yeah, it could be just painting the tape. All right, with that said, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.